How to add page numbers in Google Docs. Let's get started. First, open your Google document and scroll to the page where you want page numbers to begin. For example, if you want to start numbering from page 5, place your cursor at the top of that page. Now what you have to do is click on the option of Insert. Under that, click on the option Break. Then click on the option Section Break. This splits your document into separate sections, which is what allows you to customize the page numbering later. Sometimes the content may jump to the next page. Just hit backspace a couple of times to move it back into the place. Now with your cursor still on the page where you want numbering to start, click Insert, click Page Numbers, choose your preferred style, example top right corner, or header or footer. Set Start at 1, click Apply. Now your selected page starts with page number 1 and the following pages continue from there. If page numbers still appear on the earlier pages, double-click the header or footer where the number appears. Use backspace to delete it. Because you unlink the sections, this won't affect the numbering that starts later. And that's it. You have now added page numbers in Google Docs. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.